Well, hello and welcome back. It's me again. So today we are in Austin, Texas, in front of Hilton DoubleTree, or however it's called. Yesterday was a crazy day. We traveled from Estonia to Austin. Total trip was roughly 20 hours. So from Tallinn to Helsinki, from Helsinki to Dallas. Then we took a car and drove here to Austin. So 20 hours trip. At the end, the driving, 4 hour or 3 hour driving, it was super crazy. It was night time. Well, it was not night. It was evening, but it was dark. Lots of lorries and stuff, crazy drive. As we don't have the house yet, we will get the house tomorrow. Then I cannot take the Panigale out today. I don't have a place to put it basically. So today we are going to do some simpler first things. Henry said that we should get the social security number. So luckily really close here is this place where we should get it. We will go and see if we get it. then I have somewhere my Panigale title. I don't know exactly where it is. For some reason I cannot process this mail from one mailbox to another. So I will try to find my Panigale title. And later, let's see, maybe let's visit the Ducati shop. And we thought maybe we'll see some car shops, because obviously we will need a car soon. Currently we drive this Toyota that we rented, but it's good car to take stuff with you, but it's not so comfortable to ride with it. It's just so crazy huge, at least for us Europeans. But okay, let's go. So we are in front of Social Security Administration. We want to make this Social Security card, but unfortunately they are not accepting walk-ins anymore, so we have to get an appointment. It's going to be next week. We don't have like permanent address. We are moving from one Airbnb to another and then another house again, so we don't have permanent address where to order this card, where they can send us this social security card. But it's possible that they send it here and we come and pick it up here, so it's good to know. Basically it's just this kind of application, name, where you were born, what kind of visa you have, and that's it. Seems to be quite simple, but let's see next week then. Now we are going to find my Panigale title. So I think we found the title. It should be in my registered agent address, at my registered agent address, but they cannot give it to me. I have to order it somehow through the online process. Believe me, I tried for many hours to do it, but any of my cards, European or US cards, for some reason payment was not accepted. They basically told us that in an hour we should receive some kind of email, and maybe then this thing will get sorted, but let's see. I think that the title is here and everything is okay with it. So now we are going to eat and then let's go to Ducati. We are back from Ducati. Everything went well. I didn't pick up the bike there yet. I'm going to do it tomorrow. Currently we wanted to check if our stuff is still here, and yes, the stuff is here, so everything is okay. Tomorrow we're going to take the bike and probably some tools, and let's start building the bike. Good morning. So the morning got really busy right now because we were packing our stuff in hotel, and then I got an email that my package is delivered, but it's delivered to the address where I'm not located yet. I'm going to get this house in a few hours. Yeah, we quickly ran out and we tried to get our package. It's quite expensive stuff in there, so hope it's still there. A very stressful drive. 8 minutes left to our house. I don't like stuff like this because when I ordered the shipment from FedEx, then I especially wrote there call me before the delivery, but nobody called, and I just got a notification that the shipment has been delivered. Well, yeah, as I said, expensive stuff inside that box, so I hope everything is okay. Fingers crossed. My package is here. So, as you saw, packages are okay. We got them. They seem to be okay, but I cannot open them now because currently we are driving back to hotel. We need to check out from hotel, take the bags, then we can go back to the house. And today we are also going to get the Panigale, and I need to find a rear stand for the bike and so on. Lots of things to do. Just let's keep on going. Well, hello, come in. Boom, boom. Mm-hmm. Easy peasy. So it's late night. After we unloaded the bike, I took the ramps and stuff that I loaned from Ducati back to them. Then we went to grocery shopping, and now we are here. And I'm anxious to see if the parts that are in this box arrived after the long trip. So I'm going to unpack them, and I will show you what's inside here. Part number 1 arrived safely and in perfect condition. Part number 2. Perfect. I have to thank my father for helping me with all the packing. So far everything has been in perfect condition. And again perfect. And what do you think? Perfect or perfect? It's time to learn Estonian again. This thing is called silencer, but in Estonian it's sumuti. So it's sumuti. And it's in perfect condition because it has original packaging. And the most dangerous thing to transport seems like it's perfect. Good morning, behind the scenes look of our morning. Currently doing Instagram story of AEM parts. Our good friends from Italy sent us some beautiful parts for this project. And also, as you can see, we have lots of parts laying around, straight from a box from Estonia. And today is the day when I'm going to dismantle the bike and start assembling all the new parts. So it's going to be interesting. So it's late again. We didn't film much today. We visited Tasco Auto Body Shop. We got some things from there that we need for this build. Also visited Home Depot to get some additional tools that are needed for the build. Also gathered our tools that we already had in storage unit. So basically now almost everything is ready for the build. But I'm going to start it tomorrow because it's late already, and I'm going to do some prep works for tomorrow. Also, I haven't mentioned why I have like a separate body set in the living room, as obviously I have to finish the bike really fast because I have under 1 week until the MotoGP events start. So this bike needs to be done really quickly, and I did a little trick that I pre-painted all the body fairings and fuel tank in Estonia and sent them here. So my only thing that I need to do is basically take the bike apart and put it back together, and then it's ready. Obviously tire letterings and exhaust chains and all these things too, but I don't need to do any painting stuff here. Everything is done already in Estonia. This is the last day when this bike is red, and tomorrow I'm going to start the build, and hopefully really soon it's yellow. So let's go. As you can see, I've been dismantling the bike for half a day now. All the fairings have been taken off, besides this one here. Fuel tank off, exhaust off, wheels off. Now I have to take off also the brake calipers and hassle with this part. I wanted to see how this beautiful yellow looks under this Texas sun. I don't know if you can see it. The little metallic. I think it looks perfect for our first bike here. Good morning. Today we drove to San Antonio because I got a tip that there is some kind of car event. I didn't know what to expect, but check it out. So it's an event called Social Sundays in San Antonio. It happens once a month. Lots of people, lots of beautiful cars. Currently it's located in, this time it's located in Porsche dealership of San Antonio. Unfortunately we didn't see hypercars this time, but I've seen from some photos and videos that you can see, for example, Ferrari SP3 also here. But definitely I think I will be coming back next time. I don't know if with car or bike, but let's see. It's time to end this episode with this nice yellow Aston Martin. We will be continuing our yellow Ducati build in the next episode. Thank you all for watching. Click like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.